asking my boyfriend to make dinner.
Hey, babe. I'm gonna need you to make dinner tonight.
No!
He's leaving. He decided he was hungry and returned. Preparing for the battle. Disgusted. Time for instructions. Chop. He may lose his job given how slow he cuts things. Chip. Chop. This is unbearable. Squeeze the damn lemon. He is getting the hang of it and picking up speed. Hooray! There is hope. He enjoyed this part too much. Dump that S% hash at on the tray. Bye-bye. Yumi. Sizzle. Cecil. Sizzle. He pulled it off. Great job, babe.